What does 40-plus years of offshore center console refinement actually look like? The Grady-White 336 Canyon. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts. Today we're doing a full technical breakdown of the Grady-White 336 Canyon. Specs, performance, layout, and how it stacks up against the competition. The 336 runs on twin Yamaha 450 XTO outboards, 53.9 miles per hour at wide open throttle, and an optimum cruise of 29 miles per hour at 3,500 RPM, burning 22.6 gallons per hour. On 361 gallons of fuel, that's roughly 350 nautical miles of range. Opt for the triple Yamaha 350 configuration and top speed climbs to 58.8 miles per hour with a 31.5 mile per hour cruise and range pushing past 400 nautical miles. Key West to the dry Tortugas and back with fuel to spare. The hull is Grady-White's CV2, 20-degree transom deadrise, 50-plus degrees of entry at the foredeck. In 3 to 4 foot offshore chop, it slices where competitors with flatter entries pound. That difference is measurable in crew fatigue by the time you reach the canyon. Overall length is 33 feet 6 inches, beam is 11 feet 7 inches, draft 2 feet 3 inches. Hull weight without engines is 10,100 pounds. The cockpit is purpose-built for fishing, self-bailing with 6 drains. 699 quarts of insulated fish box capacity total, 291 quarts aft and 408 quarts forward, 44-gallon livewell plumbed correctly. The rigging station includes a freshwater shower, cutting board, and a 104-quart cooler. You can substitute a second 26-gallon livewell or an electric grill in that position. Grady-White lets you configure it for how you actually fish. The console is lockable with a genuine stand-up head, vacuum flush toilet, shower, sink, and a 10-gallon holding tank, cushioned forward berth. 17 total rod holders, plus 6 vertical and 3 horizontal rod storage positions inside the console. Every storage decision on this boat was made with an angler in mind. The Deluxe lean bar is 3 Command Elite helm seats, horizontally adjustable, with flip-up bolsters and fold-down footrests. Lockable tackle drawers, knife and plier holders. Helmmaster EX gives you joystick docking, set point cruise, and drift mode. Bow thruster is standard. Build quality follows Grady-White's established formula. Through-bolted hardware, composite stringers, non-skid fiberglass decks built to hold up past 500 hours. The 336 competes against the Pursuit S358, Boston Whaler, 350 Realm, Yellowfin 36, and Everglades 365cc. The Grady-White separates on 2 things: CB2 ride quality and rough water that owners consistently rank above the competition, and resale value. Used 336s hold 70 to 75% of original value after 3 years. This is the owner-operator's boat. 60 to 80 fishing days a year, no crew required. Bottom line, the 336 Canyon is one of the most capable owner-operator offshore center consoles under 40 feet on the market today. For the full spec sheet and comparison data, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts. Let me know what you'd like to see on the next overview in the comments. Thanks again.